Happy Monday. We are starting this vlog week off with everybody waking up very, very late. We had a good time yesterday on Sunday. Mom and Dad went out on a very last minute date. The kids got to spend time with Grandma. We all went to church. We sang some fun songs, but we went to bed late, so now we're finally waking up. So just wanted to pop on, say hello, welcome to the vlog, and hopefully you won't see any temper tantrums in this vlog because everybody's so tired, but we shall see. Oh, look at my shirt. Yes, you two kids representing. All right, see you guys in a little bit.
Here we go. What's this one? Good morning.
Good morning.
This bed is a mess, as usual. And I'm thinking, we have a stinky diaper? Do we have a stinky diaper?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, let's get dressed.
Finally downstairs. The kids are yelling upstairs. Look at that. See that back there? That's my Instapot. And the insert is not clean, so the Instapot's still sitting there, just waiting for me to get my life together. That's usually how that goes. So I'm gonna make myself some coffee, gonna make the kids some breakfast. I think I'm gonna give them eggs and toast today. And then they can have a fruit with it if they want. And I'm just gonna hop to it. It's time to get the day started. Today's gonna be a weird day because Daddy didn't print out their homeschool work for the week. Last night he just went to bed. I guess he forgot. So they will be doing some reading for homeschool, and I think we're actually going to be cleaning the house today since it looks like we have somewhat of a free day. And they're arguing. Can you hear that? I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. You're gonna hear that a lot. That's just sibling stuff. But yeah, come along with me while I make breakfast. got a brilliant idea to make migas. I was gonna make just regular eggs and toast, but I had some chipotle chips left over, which is they are the best chips to use to make migas, you guys. And eggs, and we had half an avocado that needs to be eaten up, and my daughter is the only one that will eat it. That is my oldest son's plate, and that's the little one's plate. But I was like, you know what? Let's just make migas, and then we have salsa in there too. And they love migas. And sour cream. I had sour cream left over from Chipotle too. So I was like, you know what, just use that up. That was from our date night in with my husband, and I wanted to use it up and get it out of my refrigerator. So there we go. They love this. On the couch working. I have to go through my Instagram for something, a project that I am doing. But this is like super fun because I get to just scroll and look and see all of like the fun stuff I've done on Instagram over the past year or so. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, be sure you do. I'm AmiraMartin _ over there. I'll put it down below. So if you guys want to come over and see all the look at that, that's funny. See all the weird things I've ever. Oh boy, I love Star Wars, you guys. He's on my lap. I'm trying to work. He wants to snuggle. Right? You want to snuggle, boy? You want to snuggle? Oh my gosh. I just love my kitty. He's my firstborn baby. He's so spoiled. Worse than the other three. Right? Right? I think he wants a treat. That ain't happening.
This.
Oh, yes days on your birthday?
Yes!